Claude AI plus Grok equals to faceless content. Let me show you how. This is the board AI where I show you how you can use Claude AI and Grok to create faceless content. Well, today we're gonna steal, or should I say copy, or should I say replicate success from other faceless content. And I'll be showing you practically how I do mine. Recently, I found out that you can actually replicate any video you see, any faceless video you see online, or even any content you want to do online using Cloud AI. But I'm going to show you practically how I use it for my own faceless YouTube content for shorts. I'm going to show you the numbers. They are not millions of views at the moment, but it's practical because I keep wondering, why the people who claim they were able to get millions of views blur the name of their YouTube channel. If you claim you have millions of views, why hide the channel's name? Is it not better you let the channel's name known so that people who watch it will keep giving you more views? But no, they blur the channel. But that's just by the way. I'm gonna show you my own channel, show you analytics, and you would see that even if it's not millions of views, they are gaining tractions. And this simple technique is what I use. Let's get right to it, shall we? Okay. So this is my faceless on my content here for home. As you can see, in the last 28 days, I've gained 13,000 views, 25 subscribers. Well, the reason is that for over 3 months I was inactive. As you can see right here, this was the reason. This space over here was my time of inactivity. If we should move 90 days backwards, we could see I was inactive all through this period, but recently I started a couple of days ago, 7 days ago, and you can see the spike up here. No millions of views yet, but we're getting there. To show you that it's real, I'm going to show you how we are able to replicate the content. I'm going to show you, as you can see, I keep getting subscribers every time my content is out there. And this technique I'm going to show you costs literally 5 minutes of your time. Well, let's see if it's true. Let's get right to it, okay? Gonna put this back 28 days. I'm gonna show you how to replicate this content. Well, first of all, let me show you the kind of content I do for this channel. So YouTube Shorts. Let's see this. I'm gonna show you one of this. Put the volume on mute. Show on YouTube. I'm sure you may have seen these timeline videos or time lapse videos of building constructions, things like that. I'm going to show you how you can replicate this and gain exposure in your very first video. And for the last trick, I may or may not show you how you can, that's just by the way, we'll stick to that later, okay? So let's see how we can get this video sorted, how we can get this and get our first view from the very first video. What I usually do is I try to see my competitors, okay? I just see timeline videos, time lapse videos. We'll look at the shorts doing millions of numbers. Okay, I see this right here, 549K views. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay, I'm gonna get my Claude AI right there. I'm gonna copy the URL of the video, paste it here, look for the one. I'll probably open their YouTube channel. Just only 25 subscribers, and they're doing massive, and they're doing a lot. And they're doing a lot. Okay, I think that's just one of it. That's just one of it. Let's look for another channel where they may be getting millions of views. That's 21 million views. Okay, I'll copy, put that here, and I'll copy this, Copy link address, put that here. Copy this link address. Let's put that here. Okay. I'll come on top. Analyze the video. Tell me what's category is on YouTube. These videos are on okay. Then give me 15 new concepts on this type of videos for highlighting. Now I need Claude to give me the video concepts in the form of, first of all, it will generate the images of the video, then use the images to create the video. I don't want to type in the long prompts or the long things. I'm just going to copy and paste it down here, the ideas in this format below. I'm going to paste this down there. Now, you see, it's given the tags to use. Tags used across the channel confirm the niche. This within various concepts. Same format as the. Okay, so I asked Claude to break down the concept which was given to me into images and videos. So it's going to give me two set of prompts. The first prompt is to generate the images. Second prompt is to generate the video. And it's best to use Grok on a desktop device because I'm not too sure if this feature right here called agent is available on a desktop device, on a mobile device, but I'm quite sure on a desktop device you could find the agent. I'm going to show you how you can use agent instead of getting the images first, of generating the images first, then using the image to do first frame, last frame. That's quite a long process for me. That's why I use Grok agents. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to come down here to the prompt is given to me. As you can see, this is a prompt to generate a gas station to a luxury cafe. This is lovely. We're going to see how it is. See, 4 images, 4 video production. These are the image prompts right there and the video prompts right there. I'm going to copy all this, all the prompts, come down to my Grok AI, come down to the agent right there, paste it here. Then I'm going to ask it to, I'm going to say, all generated images and videos should be in aspect ratio 9:16. Just be double sure, okay? Then we hit enter and you let Grok do its thing. You would see how quick it does it. You would see literally all you needed to do was just to get the concept you want, get the prompt, put it on Grok, and wait. Literally that does it. And I'm going to be using this same video we generate right now to put on my YouTube channel for the sake of it, to show you that I trust the process. And probably next video, I may want to show you the numbers the video may have done in the space of a day or so, but let's get right to it. You can see right now, Croc is getting the image and the video. I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit so it doesn't get too long, okay? Okay, and we're back. So we could see it's giving us the top. The top is the images. So I could expand that. The top are the images. Oops. The top are the images. Goes up and two. Get it expanded. The top are the images and the bottom are the videos. Okay, let's play one and see how it looks like. Let's see this. Okay, next one is the construction. Okay, that's the next one. Okay, the final. Okay, that's lovely. Let's do another example again for you to really grasp the concept of what we're talking about, okay? So I'm gonna go back to my Grok, to my Claude, and look for another concepts which we might, copy. Rooftop water, abandoned harbor, restaurant front, okay. Warehouse, luxury gym. These are lovely concepts. Derelict church, modern family house. Okay, let's see this. So take this, put it here. I want to get the same prompt concept. So I'm going to ask it to break down image to video generation type. You should remember what I'm looking for. Move this example, send. Let's see if it's able to get, okay, it's able to understand my prompt. Okay, so it's giving us now image and video. I'm gonna pause this also, not to get too long. Okay, so the image and the video prompts are ready. Just like before, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna open a new chat. Oh, I'm gonna leave, open a new chat. Put this here, paste it there. I'm gonna go down to the bottom of it and let it know that, well, you should be able to know, but just be sure, double sure all videos, all images, videos should be aspect ratio 916. Okay, gonna pause this not to get too long once again. Okay, so we're able to get the same thing. And this is a lovely concept. I think I might upload this one first. Let's see how it looks like, okay? Let's play this and see. You can literally see that I'm doing literally nothing, virtually nothing. I just get the prompt and put them in there, and Grok is able to generate the whole sequence, the whole scene. And all I need to do is just upload. This is great. This is great. This is great. So that does it. That does it. This is how you could copy a faceless content you see that you like and generate yours using Grok and Cloud. It's basically as simple as ABC. Well, if it's not clear to you, or if you need me to throw more light, you could join my community where I go, I really take my time to break it down explicitly on how you can create faceless content. But until then, do like, share, and subscribe to the Bold AI. See you next time.